This is EMAX Interceptor 124 FPV RC car. With goggles full proportional control RTR model. Let's check the inside of the box. Then we will drive it. This RC car is 1/24, so it's a very small size. Where the pilot's seat is, there is a small camera, which is a sheltered place above the car. Even if your car rolls over, the camera will not be easily damaged. Great, ready to enjoy the fun ride and driving experience. Definitely worth buying this package because goggles alone costs above that package price anywhere you look. Goggles will also work with any FPV related toys. 2.4G remote controller works with 3 AAA size batteries. Proportional control of throttle and steering is surprisingly accurate. 1S 4.2 volt LiPo battery replaceable. The battery compartment under the vehicle. There is a weight at the front of the car to balance the weight. There is a mini USB port so you can charge the car battery without removing it. Only about 25 meters you will lose video feed, car itself will lose signal about 90 meters. If you want, you can change the frequency from the small button here. You can run 2 vehicles together. You will need to change the VTX channel, which is pretty easy, and should take no more than a couple minutes. EMAX RC car with the stock battery has about 10 or 15 minutes drive time. The headset is entry level, but fine. The goggles that come with it have a built-in screen, you don't need any extra camera or phone. It comes with 1 antenna. Maximum transmit power, 25 MW. The Google has 480x272, experience real-time shooting scene. The battery slot of it is located at the back of your head. Let me check what I have in the box. The user manual I have. And the battery. Let me show you how it works. I will use another goggles for my video because that one has not recording features. EACHINE EV800D FPV goggles, with DVR 5.8G 40ch 5-inch video headset built-in battery.